Huh?
When you are playing with your friend and suddenly get carried home.
That was mean.
What are you doing? I'm trying to fix your fence that your others had destroyed. Hey, stop it! Ow! Gizmo!
You know, the forbidden snack is always the tastiest.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
That's not a headbutt, that's a love tap in goat language.
What's the matter? Is it raining? You gotta go in your barn. You're a goat. Go in your barn.
Make yourself at home, girl.
Nature is healing and apparently offering free back scratches.
Hey! Hey! Just throw it everywhere. Get out of here.
Warning, may cause leg cramps, but the cuteness level is off the charts. Even though he's grown up, his demanding attitude hasn't changed.
Good job, honey.
If you want to be good at Kung Fu, learn from this goat. This master may have retired, but he never stopped training.
Okay, I think she's ready. She's like...
I love that. Hey, stop palming me in the head.
The reason small goats are called kids. Looks like they're training for the upcoming relay race.
No, not in a million years. You get that thing away from me right now. They're nice. They're not. I don't care. I don't care if they're flipping nice. That guy looks like him and Bennett.
He's a $7 million bull rider. J.B. Mooney.
As long as you don't give up, you'll succeed.
Hey. 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 I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
All kiddos love slides. Ready for wee!
Mimi. Mimi. Mimi.
Is there really no teacher supervising this preschool class? Top of my list when hanging out, my emotional support animal. Rainwater always tastes better, doesn't it, buddy? Kids learn super fast when you turn lessons into games like this.
Figure, look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, would you look at this? Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What?
When you oversleep and everyone else already left for the fun trip. Uh-oh, looks like someone is way past their bedtime.
I keep throwing you out, you keep coming in. And you're gonna poop in my office. Oh, you too? Come on, man. Yeah, can you guys, like, get out of my office, please?
The level of energy I want for Monday.
Like a spider monkey! Go on!
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
Now we know who's Dad's favorite child. This is probably the healthiest part I've ever seen.
Rutabaga inside of mixed baby food, followed by
Move over, unboxing videos. Goat unwrapping is the new trend.
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
I can feel the cuteness bursting through the skin. Goats are so cute and funny, aren't they? Don't miss the next video. Bye!